Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about some interesting facts about Spanish language and Spanish countries. Spanish is the second most natively spoken language in the world with more than 450 million native speakers. It is the official language of 20 countries, while there are many speakers in other countries as well. The Spanish-speaking world has a totally different and rich culture, and one should definitely experience some of it. Before getting into the facts, let's have a look into how the language came into origin. The Spanish language was derived from one of the dialects of Vulgar Latin, which in turn was brought by the Romans to the Iberian Peninsula during the Second Punic War around 210 BC. It evolved in the peninsula during the 6th century after the fall of Western Roman Empire. The language kept on evolving gradually and written standards were developed. Over the past 1,000 years, the language traveled to present Latin America through the Spanish colonial empire and thus became the official language of 20 countries. Now, since we have developed a little bit of background of the Spanish language, it's time we look at some of the cool facts about the language and also the countries speaking it. The first fact that we have is, being a part of the Indo-European languages, Spanish is a Romance language. Romance languages are those which originated from Vulgar Latin during the 3rd to 8th century. Other languages in this group are French, Romanian, German, Italian, Portuguese, and other Italic languages in the Indo-European family. The second fact is, Spanish can be called either Castellano or Espanol. The Spanish speakers in Latin America generally call their language as Espanol, whereas Castellano name is more used in parts of Spain. The third interesting fact about the language is that Spanish is poetic and has long sentences. When you translate from English, the length of the sentence increases because Spanish is more poetic, detailed, and expressive. Where in English you would use one word, in Spanish you'll have to use 3 to 4 words. In recent times, Spanish has become popular in schools and universities, and about 10 million students are studying Spanish as a foreign language. This is because of its wide usage across countries, which offers the students an opportunity to study abroad and explore the culture. Another reason is that the most words in Spanish are easy to pronounce and write, and are somewhat similar to English, making it an easy language. Currently, Mexico is the largest Spanish-speaking country with about 120 million population, but as per the projections, more and more people in US are taking up Spanish language, and it could become the largest Spanish-speaking country by 2050. Now, coming to some of the interesting facts about the Spanish-speaking countries. There is a small town, Lloro, in Honduras, where it rains fishes. Yes, you heard it right. Called as Lluvia de Peces, meaning rain of fishes, this phenomenon happens at least once and even twice a year during the months of May and June. During this time, a big storm occurs in the town, followed by heavy rain, after which there are so many live fishes on the roads. What's more baffling is that this town is situated miles away from the ocean. So far, there has been no scientific reason behind it. We know that global warming is increasing day by day, slowly leaving its adverse effects on the living beings. Mexico's capital, Mexico City, is sinking at the rate of 1 meter per year as a result of this. To be more precise, the experts say it is because that the groundwater level is depleting, and that is why the city and buildings are going down. Potatoes are an important tuber and staple diet of many people. However, most people must have seen only a few varieties of the tuber. But what if I tell you that Peru has more than 4,000 varieties of Potatoes. Yes, the Andean highlands produce these potatoes and they come in many shapes and colors like blue, pink, red, yellow, purple, etc. Everyone loves popcorn. They come in different flavors and are perfect movie snacks. The fourth interesting fact that we have about Spanish speaking countries is that there are 17 ways of saying popcorn. Interesting, right? How many words do you think you know? Do you love wines? Wines are an alcoholic drink made by fermentation of grapes using yeast. If you are a wine lover, you will be excited to know that Chile is the fifth largest wine exporting country and has the best wineries among all the Spanish speaking countries. Costa Rica is the happiest country in the world and hopefully it is one of the Spanish speaking countries. So it makes the Spanish speaking world a more appealing place. If you look at the entire Latin America, more than 80% of the population live in cities, making it the most urbanized region of the world. Hence, you would love to see their lifestyle. So, these were the cool and interesting facts about the Spanish language and countries speaking Spanish. If these excited you enough, there are much more things that you are missing. Cuisine, festivals, celebrations, and famous places of these countries. Head to our site for more such intriguing things. Thank you.